If you've ever been sent a Calendly link and wondered exactly what to do next, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to use Calendly as a customer, step by step, so you can book your meeting quickly and confidently without missing anything important. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's jump in. First, open the Calendly booking link you received. This is usually the link someone sends you by email, chat, text, or message, and it will take you directly to their scheduling page. Once the page loads, take a moment to look at the meeting options. If there are multiple meeting types available, choose the one that matches what you need. For example, there may be different options for a consultation, interview, demo, or support call. Selecting the right meeting type is important because each one may have different availability or different questions to answer before booking. After that, you'll see a calendar with available dates. Go ahead and select an open date that works for you. Calendly will only show times that the organizer has made available, so you don't need to guess or worry about double booking. Once you choose the date, the available time slots will appear. Pick the time that works best with your schedule. Take a second to double check the time zone if you're booking across different regions, because that can help you avoid confusion later. Next, Calendly will usually ask for your name and email address. Fill those in carefully so the organizer knows exactly who the meeting is for and can send a confirmation to the correct inbox. In some cases, the organizer may ask for extra details, such as a company name, phone number, reason for the meeting, or a short message. If you see any additional fields, complete them as requested so your booking goes through smoothly. Once everything is filled out, look for the schedule button or the confirm button. Click that to finalize your booking. After that, Calendly will take you to a confirmation page, and you'll see the meeting details displayed on screen. This usually includes the date, time, and any important notes about the appointment. Don't close the page too quickly because this is your chance to review everything and make sure it looks right. Then, check your email for the confirmation message and calendar invitation. This is important because the email usually contains the meeting details, and if the meeting is online, it may also include the link you'll need to join. If the meeting is remote, save that link somewhere easy to find so you're ready when the meeting starts. And that's it. You've successfully booked a meeting using Calendly as a customer. It's a simple process once you know the steps, and now you can schedule appointments with confidence anytime you receive a booking link. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial.